19 months have gone by. My target is to make the municipal bodies of Karachi sustainable, that they are able to carry out their work on their own, not dependent on other entities because that becomes very whimsical. Secondly, I understand the biggest problem as a citizen, not as a political activist, as a leader, as the mayor. The basic problem right now that we have is we don't have water. And everyone comes up with their own idea of how water mafia, how this is an artificial problem. I'm of the view that the way and manner the population has increased in the city of Karachi, the way and manner people from all over Pakistan have come to Karachi and they keep coming to Karachi and they're very well entitled to come to Karachi. Uh, that surge in population has not been complemented in the same manner with regards to the facilities that should have been provided. There's a major gap in demand and supply. So I want to address that not by saying that things cannot be done, by focusing, yes, things can be done. And I will tell you during the course of discussion what my government is at this point of time doing about it. So addressing water needs, A, by way of the fresh water that exists in the system, and secondly, by adopting technology to recycle the water for our industrial and construction needs so that fresh water can be saved for domestic needs of the people. That will also, while addressing the water need, would also enable the city government to address the marine pollution that we have, untreated sewage waste going into our Arabian Sea and spoiling the marine life over there. So that is something that we are focusing on, and during the course of discussion, I'll tell you what we are doing, and I will give you a definitive timeline that during my tenure, two or three things with regards to these core issues would inshallah touch would be addressed. Infrastructure is a problem. We are trying to address infrastructure issues by coming up with certain large-scale projects. Certain projects have been executed, some are in pipeline, and also addressing the neighborhood streets of the city of Karachi. Last but not the least, public spaces of Karachi. I'm personally a proponent of going out with my family. So on the weekends, I want to go to a place where I can, have a happy time with my family, where people are enjoying themselves. Unfortunately, in the past, because of the law and order situation, because of various other things, those public spaces have been ignored. They have not been given the due importance that they deserve. And that's another area which I feel that because the public space is not meant for the affluent class only. It is not meant for the middle class only. It's meant for everyone. So when we talk about addressing the needs of all stratas of society, I think improving the facilities available at those public spaces, having those public events take place at such public spaces, I think that will bode very well for all segments of society who live in the city of Karachi. Thank you.